Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the PicsArt sketch effect. First, open your image in PicsArt and navigate to the Effects menu. Select Sketch from the options to see different artistic styles. You can then fine-tune the effect by adjusting parameters like line strength and color. This simple process transforms your photos into unique, hand-drawn art pieces quickly and easily. Once you've applied a basic sketch, it's time to customize. Use the adjustment sliders to control the effect's strength and blend it seamlessly with your original photo. The Erase tool allows you to selectively remove the sketch from certain areas, bringing back parts of your original image. Experiment with these tools to achieve a truly personalized and artistic outcome for your picture. For more advanced users, try layering multiple sketch effects. Apply one sketch, then add another with a different style or color, using blend modes to create complex textures. You can also incorporate text or stickers to enhance your sketch art, making it truly stand out. Don't be afraid to experiment with various combinations to discover your signature artistic style within PicsArt. After perfecting your sketch, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Export your image in high resolution to preserve all the details. You can then easily share your unique artwork directly to your favorite social media platforms, showcasing your creativity to friends and followers. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.